tswa base e botlhoko mo. Ke ntse ga go teng.
You need the fridge.
Go bokete ya.
Clean onion.
Ke dio tsa tlhogo, ke Hairband. Oh. Yeah. Oh, di cute yan. This is mine. Oh, let's see. I can read a tlhogo.
Didn't listen you.
I can read a tlhogo. Oh my god, they are so cute. Yo, level. Shame the cute ways.
Papa.
Yo, ena. Hey, na crazy. Ow, chisa.
Plus, my sister no blue.
And Marga, what does it self? Oh.
Whoa, I have to make it faster. Wow, I'm making it faster.
Okay, but like a carpet, wait. Motor ga ra mpha 10,000 gape. Christmas tree time. You like it?
Yeah. I have a stuck on my forehead.
Hmm.
How did I tie it? Mama, how did I
You
tie
need
it?
to move your table.
Oh,
Wait. You need a bag. Take off your hairband. Wait. Take off your hairband.
I'm excited to do Christmas.
Wait. Mommy, wait.
This one is for me.
Hey. Hey, man.
Yeah. Christmas. Guys, you have to make. Dada. Dada, you have to make. Yeah. I'm excited to do my.
You're excited to do your Christmas?
Skirt. The star. Let's put this on the table. Bring your table closer. Mama, make this like this.
I'm excited to do Christmas.
Mommy, be gentle. These are cranberries.
Take one.
Cranberry. Give me the cranberries.
We need a bucket, wait. We need to get a bucket strictly for Christmas ornaments.
There's another cranberry.
Baby, can I know the number? I don't know which one is the bottom one. This is the top.
Hey, Dada.
The bottom one, please. Okay. No, don't take those ones out. They're fine. Why didn't you?
Hey, that's not the bag. You're ready.
These are sweet corn.
Okay, number?
Dada, these are sweet corn.
Yeah.
Corn.
Go on. Yes, number.
It's sweet corn. It's my favorite sweet corn. And my favorite is tea.
Oh, Gucci but TV.
That's about no choice. Let me see.
And this, we just do the front, ne? And then we just do this.
Yeah, man.
I can't open it. Your tree is big. Oh yes, this is the tree. Ça tourne bien. Christmas, ça y est, musique. What Christmas?
Music.
Okay? Three. Yeah, c'est la musique. Zuzu, come. We need to do the tree now.
Creamer? What is a creamer?
We need to do the Christmas.
Okay. Go. Now you and mommy decorate, ne?
Dada, you also have to decorate with us.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
My baby's going to a Christmas party. She looks so cute. Look at my baby, guys. Baby is so cute. Look at my baby's hair. She's so adorable. Hey, Mama.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You look so cute. You ready for your Christmas party?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you.
I like it.
As a promise to us that he will never let the world, he will never flood the world again, the earth again. That's why he put a rainbow in the sky. Hey guys, I really sucked at Vlogmas, but it was because of like personal stuff that was happening with family that obviously I can't share right now. And I think, I don't know if it's possible. I've got a wedding and Christmas Day we're going to spend it with family. I might vlog that. But 2023 Vlogmas really rocked us, didn't work out. We will try again next year. Do you think next year is just 2 weeks away? We'll try it again next year. Dada bought pork trotters, sam and spinach. Sam is my favorite. Pork trotters, I don't like the texture, but he says it's nice. I'm gonna try it. And yeah, so we're gonna eat. Zuri went to the Christmas party. Mama, do you want to tell them how your Christmas party was? Okay, come here. You can take these, Amas. And I'm busy doing medical aid claims. How was your Christmas party?
Fun.
It was fun?
But instead, I was holding the teacher's hand.
You were holding your teacher's hand?
But
Which
then
teacher?
Teacher Portia.
Why were you were not comfortable? Were you not happy? You wanted Mama there?
Yeah.
Did all your friends have their mamas there?
Yeah.
Really? I'm so sorry I didn't go most. I won't miss it again, ne? Next year Mama's gonna be there, ne? I love you. I love you. That rocked me when I realized that the other parents were there. They did say that the parents could come and I wanted to go, but I had already pre-booked clients and I had already cancelled from last week, so it was like, it was tricky. And I'm that mama that shows up to every single thing. This is the first thing I've missed and I'm not happy with myself. Yeah, so let me eat and please guys subscribe. I promise I'm gonna try to, like 2024 content is in the works. We're gonna work at improving on the content. Obviously there's not I'm very limited in terms of what I can vlog, but we're going to be doing like also sit down videos and things that I like organization and talk about my business and yeah, the struggles of business. 2023 was great in terms of clientele and stuff, but morale, it took everything in me to stay motivated and you know, yeah, it's been rough, but yeah, this is not the last vlog. Obviously I think I'm gonna vlog the wedding and I will vlog my Christmas with family, my dad's family, and yeah, we're not sure what we're doing for New Year's. No, we're going to be in Pretoria for New Year's. The bride has been welcomed into the groom side of the family, so yeah, that. And then obviously I'm hoping to spend New Year's Eve with my cousin, but we'll see. So for today, signing out. Hey guys, my skin, when I'm in Pretoria, my skin is like skinning proper. When I'm here, anyway, December 15th, It's my wedding anniversary actually today, and I'm chopping up in watermelon and then yeah, watching the memorial service.
Young, and we didn't want to be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were young.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. VLOGMAS ipadile guys again. So now yes, I'm wearing the same dress because Kirilla laundry and because there's a wedding and we're going to Pretoria, and there's like Christmas stuff at my
House.
my dad's side. Rubies, I'm not gonna washing, so I apara the same dresses we wash and wear. I'm doing Zuri's hair. We're getting her hair ready. I'm gonna wash it and she's gonna do her hair. And then I'm not doing anything for my hair. The wedding is on Friday.
She got my beads. I want.
Why give you the tight there? Yeah? Ask kiss my baby. It's itchy. It's like you could go. Sorry?
Don't touch my hair. You take out the pony.
I'm not trying to take out the pony. Because you're disturbing me.
You're disturbing me also.
Hey, that's your hair. Are you going to fail this rule? And the very sweet like you what? Why do you like saying that?
Oh, wow.
Let me spray. Let me spray. Awena, I like to eat the spray. It's sweet.
I'm not going to let you eat
Okay.
Let me have the street.
Let's try this. How?
I live bracket, the liquor will bracket. Don't let me bracket the medicine head.
Marbo.
I'm left the bracket that had.
Tata.
Eh,
How the bump pepper chrome?
la right there, the bracket that had. Then you have a dash, another one. I want to live, but I can't tell everybody since the grand that wins hat. All I know for that is 70 grand.
Hey, I'm going to do it first.
I want to go. I live a show. I live a show. I got a gun.
Mama to ro, tla tsa ona ga
Ke bona ke ya le ke ba tsoga mo ka le ka le maoto.
Why it's so pretty like this? Oh, my neck will be
see how long your hair is.
Stop it!
And just take it out.
Stop!
Zubikibile, we are running against time. We are late.
And then that's the past 11.
Where are we going?
Auntie Vero's house.
Why?
To go do your hair.
What is something for?
I don't know like I prefer what thing.
Oh, my God.
I don't like. Ow!
Kijigamo.
Push it like left.
Tita na hote.
Huh?
Left.
It is happy. Nothing. Let us take it.
If I had to take.
I'm not feeling thing how.
Mama, okay.
Mo kereke.
Yeah, wasn't like it was a guy and I don't have to go on the left.
Eh, mo after kereke.
Hey, let us take it for the population.
Ari kutlwa ke ari dira to ke a go lora to ke nna ke dira to ke fi kae.
Let night, but you're listening like
Ke zuri yo go metsi mo.
Where you take the pen?
Ha ke tlhapi ka shano.
It's not conditioner.
Go metsi. Mo ba ka tlo.
See? I did it this
Okay, we're done. Turn around. We did the 4 ponies. We're gonna do our hair today. What are you doing? You straightening your hair?
So instead until
Okay.
The next morning.
Hey guys, I haven't done an intro. Hello. Today is December the 20th. My sissy is going to be legally married today. Let me make an order quickly. I'm married. Oh guys, ordering Burger King quickly. I'm starving. And then I've got a nail appointment at 11. So, yeah. Oh, that wax appointment. Oh, the waxing was so. Today it was painful. I'm not waiting that long again. It was painful. But it was 30 minutes. So, yeah. Maintenance day. Okay, let me pay for my order. Sure guys, I'm back. I sucked at vlogging today. I did a brow lamination. I like them. I'm just not happy with my brows because I think my brows are not as thick enough for the kind of look I was going for. But where's Zambile lash? I mean the brow. I love my lashes. They're full. The cat eye situation I like. Yeah, I like my lashes. It's not bad. not well, but Galen needs to take care of herself. And yeah, now I'm going home. I'm gonna cook, pack, because tomorrow tomorrow Hanyo, guys. Kotiville fully activated tomorrow, so I have to pack all my things. So yeah.
Especially when she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you call in. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright.
DJ 16, DJ 16, DJ.
And you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Eh, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life.